This video is just a quick tutorial to help you navigate through the NHSDA website for when you're ready to start your own Honor Society chapter for your dancers at your school or studio. This video will specifically talk about those of you that teach in the public school system with a dance company at the junior high or high school level. This is the home page, and just scrolling through it, it's got the mission statement, and then you want to check out which program that you are going to need. I'm going to click on secondary. A couple things I want to point out: in order to have a National Honor Society chapter for dance, you have to make sure that you have an institutional membership with the National Dance Education Organization. You have to have that in order to have an honor society. Then it talks about what the students need in order to be an honors student in dance. They need to have 30 points awarded for dance activities, and they also need to have a GPA of at least a 3.0. It talks about what the GPA requirement means, and then it talks about the NHSDA Secondary Chapter Sponsor Handbook. You as the teacher become the sponsor, so it's very important to take the time to read through this. What's great is they kind of bookmarked everything that you want to look at, so if you forget something, it's very easy to come back to this page and read what you need to read. So the parts that I recommend the most: the student induction information, student induction criteria, and steps to student induction. So basically this shows what your student needs to be an honors student in dance, and then the steps the student has to do in order to be inducted. It also talks about what you need to do to graduate with honors if you have a situation where a student is transferring from another program. And then the National Induction Point System, as well as an induction rubric. And what's nice is if you want to take the time to accommodate the language of that point system for your own program, you can tweak it a little bit. And then here it talks about the junior program, and it's very similar. Just address this same handbook if you have questions there. What does it cost? Again, remember, you have to have the NDEO membership. There is a one-time fee of $8 per student. You can have the school pay for that, or you can have your student pay for that, whatever works best for your program. And again, it asks you, does the school need an NDEO membership? Yes, you do. I hope this was helpful.